Hi friends, in this video we will discuss the scope of consultancy. Now see, there are chances that the people, because of their change in attitude, may try to get more legal consultancy in the coming future. The reason being, each and every businessman may not have done a proper contract in his business, and since there was no proper contract in his business, in the present scenario of lockdown, he must have suffered, because since there is no contract, obviously how is he going to agitate his problem with other side? Had there been a contract in place, had there been a proper agreement in place, he could have taken certain remedial measures for the problems which have occurred to him from other side. This is not there. Now this is what I am being saying, that there are chances that there is a change in attitude, change in thought process of all the people doing business. See, as far as big businessmen are concerned, they have their legal departments, everything is documented, they have agreements, contracts for everything. But as far as the small or medium size business enterprises are concerned, generally they do not execute an proper agreement for purchase. It just on the purchase order everything goes on, even though the actual arrangement between the parties is for a very long time. So even though the arrangement is for the long time, they do not execute a proper agreement mentioning all that, and this is where the chances of having consultancy will increase. Further, there are now locational issues. See, today because of this lockdown, what we have analyzed is where we are becomes more important. Because supposing I am in Kandivali, my client is in Colaba, obviously I may not be able to travel. So there where the chances of my client opting for a lawyer in Colaba are very high, because he will feel I will get a first mile contact with my lawyer. See, everything cannot be discussed on video conference. There are certain issues, there are certain aspects which have to be communicated 1:1. They cannot be discussed in video conferences. So obviously the person might think of engaging an advocate who is near to him or who is accessible to him. So the location itself will play an issue. Another scope for consultancy is, supposing a company is having a legal department, a medium sized company, and because of this lockdown the same could not be functioned. At the same time, the person in legal department could not commute. So obviously there are chances that the said company might prefer an lawyer who is much near to it and much accessible to it. Third, the whole situation. See, the way the economy has got upside down because of this lockdowns, there is a change in attitude of businessmen. Now they will try to be more cautious in doing business, and for that more cautious, he will always prefer that I should have a consultant who will basically guide me as to how should I do business, how should I do contracts, what precautions should I take in my draftings. See, normal communications are actually drafting, because ultimately when a suit comes into picture or a civil case happens, these same very basic communications are considered as evidence in the matter. So, obviously, all this change which has happened will certainly create a very good scope for consultancy overall. So, we hope that that this aspect of consultancy, it may be on the retainership basis, it may be thrice a week, it may be once a week, it may be once in 15 days, but obviously the chances of this consultancy are very high. So, friends, this is what we discussed. These are the thoughts which I felt are important as far as consultancy part is concerned, and the scope of consultancy which may get increased. Thank you.